Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you or showing you an arbitrage platform where you can be able to make transaction and deposit without making use of your bank card. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to deposit and also make a withdrawal using the platform I'm going to be sharing with you, which does not require you to make or bring in your bank card. But before I proceed, please use the second of your time and like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If it's your first time to see my videos on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to get my update when it comes to crypto and other money making videos for more informative and educative content like this. And I want to make a shout out to Ebenezer Prosper. I want to make a shout out to Abdulazar Jumo, Market Hub Entertainment, and Kenny Lizzy. Thank you for subscribing, and I promise to keep dropping informative content and many more. So if you are new to my channel, I do a random shout out to all my new subscribers. So to be part of this, don't forget to subscribe and leave a meaningful comment in the comment section, so that when I pick randomly, you'll be selected in my next video and I'll give you a shout out. So let's move. And the name of this platform I'm going to be sharing with you is called Now2Trade. Now2Trade is a well-developed platform which allows you to make transactions without using your bank card. All you just need to do is to deposit your crypto asset and then you start your transaction, and you don't need to worry about losses, because if the market is not friendly or if the market situation is not okay, Now2Trade will not place any trade and your crypto asset are safe. Although Now2Trade is a new platform, we started operation on the 3rd of October 2021, and during these few months Now2Trade has made a lot of developments, especially when it comes to making deposit and making withdrawal. Initially when Now2Trade started, Now2Trade only allowed deposit with Bitcoin, but right now Now2Trade has made it easier for people to make deposit using Litecoin and Dogecoin. Now the only issue I see on this platform is the profit margin. Yes, as I always say, when it comes to arbitrage, the higher your capital, the higher your profit. So if you're using a $1,000 capital in any transaction on crypto arbitrage, your profit always are higher. The same thing applies when you use a lower capital, where you are applying any trade when it comes to arbitrage, and that is how it works. Now for you to get started on this platform on Now2Trade, you need to use the link in the description below in order for you to get started and sign up, either with your email account or your phone number. Or if you have an account already, all you just need to do is to log into the Now2Trade platform and get started. Let me show you how everything works. What I'm going to do right now is to log into my dashboard and show you how you can be able to make deposit and also make a withdrawal. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, this is my wallet and there's nothing on it right now, so I need to deposit. I want to do everything together with you and show you how everything works. As you can see down below, I'm in the home page, and all you just need to do is to know how everything works. This is your home page, this is where you can place a trade, and this is your wallet, and this is your own profile where you can be able to copy your reference code or your referral code and share to your friends and family. But that's not what we want to do right now. What I want to do is to show you how you can be able to deposit and start a trade using the Now2Trade Arbitrage and make a lot of profit for yourself. Now the first thing I have to do is to go to my wallet, and it is interesting to know that Now2Trade has made it possible for you to make deposits or start make deposit using Bitcoin, using Dogecoin and also Litecoin. Before now, they only make available Bitcoin for deposit and withdrawal. But right now they have made it possible for you to make deposit using Dogecoin and Litecoin, and they are also working on how to use Ethereum and Ripple in order to make deposit. This is to show you that they are working tirelessly in order to see that people will make a use of this platform and make a lot of profit for themselves. So in order for you to get started, the first thing you need to do is to make deposit either by Bitcoin or Dogecoin or Litecoin. If you're making deposit using Bitcoin, you don't need to swap it, you just go straight and start trading at once. But if you make deposit using Dogecoin and Litecoin, that simply means you have to swap it in order for you to use the official Bitcoin in order for you to start trading, because they use Bitcoin to do their trading and everything, and you make your profit for yourself. So in this video I'm going to be depositing Dogecoin in order for you to see how everything is done and you can get started with it. So the first thing I have to do is to go click on the deposit. So once you want to make deposit either by the Dogecoin or Litecoin, you click on deposit. When you click on deposit, you will see it will appear like this. It will tell you to create a wallet. So once I click on create a wallet, and I'll allow it to load up to create a wallet for myself. So as you can see, this is my wallet that has been generated for me, and I can be able to use it to make deposits and all of that. Once I make deposits, it will appear, and I can copy the wallet address and make deposit to my wallet. So I have to make the deposit, so I have to click on my copy wallet address. So I'll click on this wallet address, and then I'll go to my Binance and send the Dogecoin to my wallet. So guys, I'm in my Binance wallet right now, and I want to withdraw my Doge. All I have to do is to paste my wallet address as I've copied it in my Now2Trade wallet. So I'll paste it here. As you can see, it has been able to bring out the network in which I have to deposit it to. Please guys, ensure that the wallet or the network you choose is the correct network, especially when you are depositing. As you can see, the Now2Trade has a wallet, and the wallet it has, or the network it has, is the main Doge wallet, and it's not the Binance B20 or B2. Rather, you have to deposit to the Doge main wallet. That is where you need to deposit your crypto to. So whether you are depositing Litecoin or Bitcoin, ensure that you are depositing it to the right wallet. Don't deposit it to the wrong network, because if you deposit to the wrong network, all your coin will be gone. So I'm going to click on all of them. I want to send all my Doge. I want to send 420 Doge, and as you can see, I'll be charged and I'll receive 415 Doge and all of that. So I will go ahead with the transaction, and then I'll send it to my Now2Trade, and then I'll convert it to BTC at once. We'll do it together. So let me send it at once to my Now2Trade wallet. So guys, as you can see, it has appeared in my Now2Trade wallet. If you can see here, I have 415 Doge, in which I just sent from my Binance to my Now2Trade. So the next thing I have to do right now is to go and click on this change in order for me to convert it to BTC. Remember, I said that to use BTC or Bitcoin in order for them to use in trading. So I have to convert it in order for me to start trading and start making profit out of it. So I'll click on change. Once I click on change, it will show me automatically what it will give me, that I will have 0.001510 BTC. So all I have to do is to click on exchange now. Once I click on the exchange now, it will process, and it will now appear in my BTC, and I will see it. Initially, when you check your balance, you will not see it, but until you have converted to your BTC, it will now appear in your wallet as it is supposed to. So guys, as you can see, it has been converted. So all I have to do right now is to go back to my dashboard, and I will see it. So as you can see right now, you can see that my available balance is now 0.00151060 BTC. So the next thing I have to do is to go and place it on a trade so that I can make my profit and take it. So I'll click on this particular exchange where I have to trade it down below here. So all I have to do right now is to just click on it. Once I click on it, it will give me the option for me to choose how many percent of BTC do I want to use. Do I want to use 15%? Do I want to use 50, 75, or 100? For this trade, I will use 100%. So I'll just click on the 100, and it will appear. Then the next thing I have to do is to click on start now. So I will just click on start now. It will now process, and then I will get started, and then I will leave it for some time in order for me to make out some profit out of it. So guys, whenever you place a trade, you have to wait for some hours. It can be 2 hours, it can be 3 hours, it can be 4 hours. After the countdown has been exhausted, your balance or your profit with your initial deposit, all of them will be in your balance, and you will see your profit and everything together with it. So I'm going to make a withdrawal right now and show you how you can be able to get started and withdraw. and withdraw your fund. So what I have to do right now when I want to withdraw, the first thing I have to do is to go and copy my Binance Bitcoin wallet address, because for now you can only withdraw using your Bitcoin and all of that. So I'm going to copy my Binance wallet address in order for me to withdraw from this Now2Trade and send it to my Binance wallet. I'm in my Binance account right now and I want to copy my wallet address. Always ensure that you copy your main Bitcoin wallet address, which is the first one. Yes, the main Bitcoin wallet address, which is this first one, not BP2 or BEP2, not BEP2, which is Binance Smart Chain or Binance BP20 or Ethereum. You don't need to copy those ones. The main one you need to copy is this Binance Bitcoin wallet address, which is the main Bitcoin wallet address, which is accepted in the Now2Trade. So I'll click on it and then I'll allow it to load up, and then I'll copy my wallet address. And this is my wallet address. As you can see, I have to copy it. Once I copy it, I will now go back to my Now2Trade. Now I'm in my Now2Trade. The first thing I have to do is to click on wallet, where I have to click on withdrawal and that. So once I click on wallet, the next thing I have to do is to click on this withdrawal aspect. I'm not depositing, I'm withdrawing. So I want to withdraw my Bitcoin, which I have been able to use in making profit from it. So I'll click on withdrawal and it will load up. So once it appears, it will appear like this. The first thing you need to do is to click on this defeat with receipt. Then once you click on it, you will see an option where it will tell you to put in your wallet and then you give it a label. So I have to put in the label, which is my Binance account. I'll put it as a label, Binance wallet, and put it like that. Then here I'll now paste my wallet address. This is my wallet address. Then I'll click on approve, then I click on save. Then you will see this notification telling you your information has been successfully updated. Then I click on OK. Once I click on OK, I'll now click on the withdrawal again. Then it will now appear like this. Remember, I've just added my wallet. All I have to do now is to go to this icon saved already. Remember, we just saved the wallet, and I'll just click on this particular please select recipient. I'll just click on it and then I will add my wallet, which I have already saved. Then I will now come to this particular icon here, an arrow here, and here I will now put in the amount in which I want to deposit. I can decide to put all. As you can see, it is all, and you can see they say the transaction fee. This icon here, this is the area where you will see all your transaction details, the fee that will be charged, the available transaction and everything and all of that. So once you do this, you'll be able to see that you are good to go. The next thing you need to do is to click on next. Once you click on next, you will see your details. You confirm again whether it is your details. All this information here are all your details, are all your confirmation on your details, in which you need to confirm, and you confirm that it's yours. And then once you have confirmed it's yours, the next thing you need to do is to click on start sending transaction. Once you do that, you can send. I'll do that immediately and it will allow you to load that. As you can see, it said your request for withdrawal has been processed. And once I go back to my wallet, I will notice that it has been moved. As you can see, there is nothing in my wallet right now. That means that the Bitcoin address has been successfully withdrawn by me. So this is it, guys. So whenever you want to place a trade, you can wait for 4 hours, sometimes 3 hours after placing a trade, and then you will get your profit and all of that. You can as well go to their Telegram channel, either Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and other social media handle to know more about Now2Trade. And you can as well join my Telegram community, where you can see other people interact and know more about other transactions and things that you can do in order for you to use your Now2Trade and other platforms that are working when it comes to arbitrage and many more. So with this, guys, if this video was helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section type now to trade. Let us make an algorithm and make this video to go a long way. Please do forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos and content like this if you want to see them, and more. So all you just need to do is to subscribe to my channel and turn on to the notification icon in order for you to get more information when it comes to crypto and other money making videos. See you on my next video. Peace.